Well, hi and welcome, very good morning to you. It's going to be a quick video, this one, because my family have reminded me it is January the 2nd and still a holiday day, but I came into the office and I wanted to have a look at the Bitcoin chart. Now, I buy Bitcoin and holding Bitcoin is something I do, holding for the long term, and I've got everything set up to buy more into Bitcoin. And I'll show you on the chart on why in a moment. And but I had a bit of a mishap because normally I use a credit card, buy through the bank, and then just put the money onto I have a ledger, a cold wallet, which I keep the Bitcoin on. And for some bizarre reason, the card was declined. A company card was declined. So I rang the bank and they said, "Oh, we've stopped allowing Bitcoin purchase through the bank." This is ANZ in New Zealand. So I thought, oh crap, right, okay, so I've got to sort some of the means to do that. So I've got a system set up through Wise, transfer Wise. It used to be called transfer Wise, it's called Wise now. And I wanted to put on that. So I had to get some money transferred over on that card, and then I'm able to pay on that card, and then it'll straight in, and then we can buy the Bitcoin. So I transferred a sum of money over there, and I'm waiting for that money to clear through the banking process because of the holiday period to arrive on the card to then be allowed to get buy the Bitcoin. And infuriating that delay. It's actually cost quite a lot of money. And let me actually show you what I mean on here. So we had pretty much all of the resistance to this. So all these lines that Pat had drawn in here, this was all there is. As you can see, there was a big amount of these down here. Actually 4, that's a double one, and then there's actually 4 down there. And we got this indicator coming in here. So I was watching this coming in here, and now I had this downward pressure down here. And I thought, okay, well, if this is going to turn green, what do I want to do? I want to buy into this market. And so we had this up coming into here. I knew that should the market break above there, it's clearly obvious if the market's going to break above there, that this is going to turn into the green. And you can see what happened, and you can see there through there, the market breaks up through there and then goes in up to there. Now this is a previous area that I've got marked up of interest to me that I want to keep an eye on as well. But this is a message really of being prepared. I wasn't prepared. Okay, the bank had done that, but I should have maybe had other means ready to go on that, and I hadn't. So that's cost me a very good buying position there that I could have got in the market there, and got in there and been done very nicely out of that indeed. But anyway, I just wanted to show you that because okay, the backstory was I didn't get in on that trade, but and why. But you can see just how clear this was to get in here. Once we'd had this downward pressure, which had failed, there's your top, there's the green, breakthrough on the top, and the market is currently still pushing up through. We can see 43,791 at this stage here now, heading up for this next area that will probably cause it a bit of issue to get through. But we seem to be coming all out of this area, so all is looking good. Anyway, you may not be Bitcoin trading, but I thought I'd get this up to you and show this to you because hopefully you can maybe see the opportunity here long term to get yourself in onto this if you see fit. I'm not giving you any investment advice at all, but that's as I would be doing it. And am currently adding to Bitcoin holdings. Anyway, I hope that helps, and I'll catch up with you soon. Have a wonderful day.